Okay, so this is the monster truck. You might have watched the monster truck that I'm talking about. This one I will just show you how to do it. I'm going to do it more or less as quickly as I can, just to keep it under the time that is allowed for my YouTube videos. 15 minutes. 15 minutes is quite a bit of time for this. So anyway, that's our monster truck. No wheels on that side. Now I'm going to use different colors just so as we can see how everything goes together. I'm going to start with a red one. There, I'm going to tie that up. There. Okay, we've got about that much. I am going to do the, what I will call the X pattern, and this part of the truck. So I'm going to do about a 3-finger bubble, and another 3-finger bubble, and then a pinch twist. Then I'm going to do a 4-finger bubble. You can make it 5 fingers if you like, right there. Then we're going to put a pinch twist right to that one. Then we will do a 3-finger bubble. That will be a 3-finger bubble. We will lock that around. Okay, hopefully there. And now we're going to do another 3-finger bubble. We will do a pinch twist. Then I will make the up and over part. It's slightly overinflated this, but it should work. Okay, so we're going to do a 4 fingers, pinch twist, 4 fingers, pinch twist. I'm actually going to pull it just a bit. Give me another twist. 4 fingers, another pinch twist. So that pinch twist you can put at the very beginning here if you want, but I didn't, so I'm putting it in now. We would have a pinch twist here, then we wouldn't need one there. Okay? Wrapping that around the end of the balloon, or the beginning of the balloon around the pinch twist. Good. Okay, that'll hold it. Now, I might be able to, then we're pulling that apart, squeeze it down so I've got a 4-finger bubble here. There, a bit bigger. Okay, right there, tie that up. And this part will now go across to this pinch twist here. So what we have more or less is the front of the truck. That's going to be the grill. We're going to put our sides on. This is the hood of the truck, okay? Now we'll add another color. We'll use yellow. And the yellow part will now go right along the side, and then back, and along here, and back to the front. I noticed the dark blue doesn't show up real well on the video, so I'll try to remember that in the future. Anyway, we've got our yellow one. Tie that around the very beginning of the vehicle. Then we're going to use 4 fingers again. And come to near the cab of the truck. Hold on, is that, yeah, that's the cab. Okay. Wrapping around. That's where we are now. I like to make, I'm going to make the box of the truck bigger. So we'll use about 7 fingers, okay? Right there. Then we'll put a pinch twist. Then we need 4 more fingers for the, make it as wide. Another pinch twist. So here we are. We'll go like that. Now we're going to make this side the same as this side. So once again, our 7 fingers, I think it was, right there. And then 4 more fingers. And we'll pull this apart. Now, if I had not been able to really be economical, I'll say, with my red balloon here on this last part, I would have just taken this and put it in there, because of course when you're making it, all of this will be the same color, and it wouldn't matter if you put another piece right in there if I could have made the original red balloon all the way around. Now we're going to do the black part right here, I guess we'll call it the frame, the up and down part. And what color will I use? I guess I'll use dark blue or light blue. At least to start with. Okay. We've got that tied up. I really don't know if that's enough air or not, but we're going to try. Okay. So we'll start from whichever corner you want to start from. You wrap it around. Now we're going to go down. I'm going to go down 4 fingers. Then I'm going to use a pinch twist. And then I'm going to use, let's use about the 4 and 2. So 6 fingers right there. And that will go into the pinch twist, the red pinch twist. Call that the middle of the truck, okay? So right there. Now we need to go across here. Now I want to make this bigger, so we'll make it 8 fingers. Okay, right there. And then our pinch twist. And then with 4 fingers here, I'm going to use 4 fingers again. Wrapping around the pinch twist a few times. We're going to go across the back of the truck. Once again, 4 fingers. And 4 fingers again. Now, this, just a little bit short, but I'm going to use it anyway. Take the knot, or what's left of the balloon, and wrap it around that middle pinch twist. There. Now I'm going to use a, what color do I have behind me? Oh, I'm going to use a dark blue. Okay, just to finish up the cab, or the frame. So it doesn't matter which way you start the blue, dark blue balloon here. We wrap that around. Now we're going to match this, I think was 6 fingers, so it was 6 right there. So we're going to put a twist, and then a pinch twist, and then we use 4 fingers, and that of course goes to the front pinch twist on the truck. This is incredibly colorful, and of course right now it doesn't look like a truck at all, I should know that. We'll get rid of that. I don't think I need it. I guess if you want, you can take the blue balloon and go across there. It's whatever you want to do, okay? Now I'm going to use the black balloon that I have straight across, right? We'll go from there over. Okay. So we'll blow up a black one. Tie it up. I'm actually going to put about a 2-finger bubble. I'm going to push, I've already inflated these, may as well use them again. Push that right through, okay? That'll hold the wheel on well enough. Then I'm going to use 3 fingers. And that will be pressed into this pinch twist. And then the black one here, use 4 fingers. And then 3 more fingers. And another twist because the Geo Blossom will go in between here. So we will kind of hold it under my arm, pull it off. Now you'll probably want to save this black, and that'll go on your back axle. So we'll save that. We will tie up the, right there. Grab another blossom, put it at the front. Okay, and then for the back, we'll just do the exact same thing as we did here. Okay. Boom! Of course, you'll have tires there. I'm going to take my 5-inch round, underinflated, push the driver in there. If you want to use a different color round, you go right ahead. Get the head going straight. And just in case you want to use a different size balloon, you sure can. This is what it looks like with a 350. Of course, a 360 would work fine. And this is a 5-inch round tulip twisted and tied on. If you're going to do it that way, make sure this is shorter. I think this actually looks more like a dune buggy type look. So that would be something that maybe you could pursue. But that's as far as I'm going to go. If you've got this far, hopefully you can just continue and put the rest of it together. Okay, just the back axle. That's all you need. All right. Thank you very much.